your mind present on the moment. Just be, and if your mind floats away, just bring it back to your breath and the sound without judging it. It's a practice. You did great practice in your body work, great practice in your meditation, relaxation time. I don't think I'll do too much talking. Not sure, but probably not. But I'll let us know when it's all finished. So noticing the sounds that are naturally occurring. There's so much gratitude. Nature by itself has its own frequency that heals us. So technically, we don't even need all these instruments right now. So connect with those sounds.